Hi. So today we will be talking how to create a application specifically when you are the founder or a product manager or have some idea but are not convey to your things to the developer. But yes, initial level when you're looking to start, so this tool will specifically help you to build your own idea of the prototype that you're looking to build a fully functional website, a web application or app, anything but whatever things you have in your mind. So based on requirement what you can do, so this tool called Bold.new, this will help you to create your whole the idea just by the chatting with the AI tool. So this is a kind of model that, see, the thing is this tool will not replace the developers, to be honest. The thing is we need a developer when there is an application or the a project or development. We need a developer. Without a developer, there is no app, there is no SaaS, there is no nothing. So I'm not here to say with this tool the developer will lose their job or anything. I don't think so, but I think this tool will evolve and will help the developers and the marketers, the product managers and the founders to imagine their product in a better way. So let me just quickly show how this whole things work. So I have this tool, which you will be seeing on the my on my screen. So this tool will specifically help you to work around anything, you can build anything out of it. So as you're seeing my screen, the now the project is currently I'm looking to build a project where which I have to submit to the academic, the university. But this, because this is the college project that we are doing. We are around 13 people in the group. People have did the research, have built the products, and currently I'm just utilizing those information and then building a web app based on those things. So as you are saying, I have just given instructions, and based on that instruction this tool have built a literally web app. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जो चीज़ें आपको बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है वो फिल क्रिएट कर देगा. एंड ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज you just have to go check tool those functions if they are working or not. If not, you can just guide them. You literally just have to guide the tool, this is the thing which is not working, this is the thing which needs to be mapped with the other portal. So in this case the idea is, since we are building a project on the e-west and we have a four categories, in four categories we have a total 13 products. So the category is e-west, agri and defense west, and retail waste and the waste resources. So in this four category we have a 13 products, and each category have their own way of the working. So let's say there is a tech west. So tech west is mostly we are looking to collect from the the company. Then we have agriculture and the defense west, which we are purely looking to source the raw material from the farmers. And then we have a retail, and then the waste resources. Waste resources is like anything that we see are around, and the retail resources is something that which we can outsource from the public and also build something out of it and then sell to the public. So this is the four category that we have, and based on that we are looking to build a application for the main admin where we can monitor everything starting from the collections, monitoring our team, monitoring the collectors performance if they are collecting the products, or looking to build actually one more portal for the companies, B2B companies, where they can track their raw material that they have provided from. And I mean, in return we also have to provide the certifications so that they can comply with policies. So yeah, so this is the clear cut the instructions and a model, you can say a framework, a high level of framework that we're looking to build. And this is the same instruction I have just given to the tool, and based on those information what it did actually, it created a whole web application from scratch. So it built like anything. There are, see, I'm not a developer, I'm a marketer, but I know how things work. I know a basic level of coding, how. But there's multiple things which I don't know, to be honest. But this new tool does that for me. Build everything from scratch. If you see over here, so have built the every components, thank you page, checkout page, admin dashboard, business dashboard, customer dashboard, the then overall dashboard, and then we have a method dashboard that we are looking to give it to the collector, and a team dashboard, footer, header, hero, portals, products, and have also given an ability to edit the products within the the admin dashboard and the teams dashboard. So this is one of the best thing this tool did. So I have, if you see the conversation, I have just given the conversation, I have just given a specific instruction in the conversation. And once the application is ready, so you can deploy. So this is the free complete. This tool is, first let me just tell you, product have a free tire, you can just utilize that free tire and build the application. So this is complete, I have not paid anything to this tool. Not just this, and also I have deployed the same the application on some other site called a netlify app. So what this platform does, this platform will help you to host your application or website completely for free. So I have built the application on the different platform and have deployed the same application on the different platform, and those two platform are completely different. But yes, you just have to provide the authentications in the Bold.new dashboard, so that the project is connected with your the hosting site. So the moment this tool is ready, I have just given an instruction, deploy the application. So I have given my authentications, and based on that the code automatically deployed the code on netlify. So once the this deployed, it will provide a URL, and based on that you can just go to your application, rename the product name, and however you want, you can see the project in the project sections over here, see. And this is just, I have deployed 32 minutes ago. Now coming back to, even after deploying, there was multiple changes which I did, like removing the the content, and that there was some interlinking with the main website that we have built completely again by using. So I'll come on that part later, but now let's just talk about the the web application. So yes, so I have given multiple instructions just to improve the web application, like the color wise, branding wise, if you see. And not just that, the tool will also explain you, like after completing all the tasks, the features that it included. So that will also give every information that you need, see. I mean, you just have to give a very detailed information, to be specific, and have to be very careful, like what instructions you are, based on your instructions logic, it will come out with the solution, and then will the build the application. So see, and not just that, you can see all the components over here, and also can preview the whole website over here. If you're not satisfied with this version, you can just click over here, and it will just give one external link, just connect to the project, it will give external, which will be open on your browser. So once you're done, you can just go through, see, as I've mentioned. So the tool have given the team portal, reform portal for the collectors, business portal, admin portal, and also a customer a portal which only be used for the shopping. So I mean, on the shopping site, we have listed 13 product as discussed. So the user can just click on buy, or also can use the credits. The product will be added into the cart, so they can just proceed with the checkout. See, or have also built the checkout. I mean, the checkout page was not initially built. I have just given instructions, so that that this is the kind of information we need. So let's, in this case, let's just use test mail.com. Oh, sorry. Let's just use some random number, Mumbai. You can select your state and give your pin code and continue to the payment. Currently, since we are not accepting any payment, and this also is just a prototype, so just have the COD model, and once you click on the process order, we have ordered aluminum sheet or blocks, the product and the order is ID. See this, and this will this can same we track. You can also download the invoice the moment the currently we just have given a invoice in the text, but yes, in future, let's say if you're looking to improve, we can also make it in the PDF. Usually the invoice needs to be in the PDF only, but yeah, this is just a prototype as I mentioned, so it's work, so it's fine. So see, this is just we have ordered. Now go back to again the shopping. Now let's just use some different ID for admin dot mail dot com. Let's just go to the admin. The moment, see, this is the order which we just did, and can be same tracked over here. So it's populating over here, and the same will go on some our team member as well. And team can also okay, so this is something have not built, but again we just have to give instructions. So once this instruction is done, the tool will also build the product. As I have mentioned, the tool, the application or the AI tool Bold.new is something will build something very high level of the product. And once the product, the high level of the the components are ready, so you can just deep dive into the components and give a clear cut instructions. This data also needs to be over here. So once you give the instruction, it will automatically build the product, I mean the sections. So yeah, so let's, customer portal is there, team portal is also there. So yeah, I think this is kind of the one of the rough idea which I have given, but yes, this is not simple as it is. So it took me around 5 hours to build, because the reason is, see, the building the whole application using the AI is very simple thing. We just have to give an instruction, but the thing in the back end, the tool is also working, and it will take some time. And not just that, once the tool is built, so you have to deep dive into the application. You have to check on your own which tool is working perfectly fine and which one is not. So you have to do a QA part. So once you got the feedback from that, you just have to give that feedback to the tool that this is the thing which is not working, which we have seen in the the teams. One of the components was not working and we were not able to see the track, but we can, I mean, we saw that in the admin, we saw that in the customer portal, but also needs to be populated in the team section, because they are the one who will be managing this, correct? But somehow that part got missed. And but yes, that needs to be there. Once we have that feedback, we just have to give that to the application. uh, we have just to communicate the same thing to the tool. So once that is something done, you can just go ahead and make it live. So the overall idea is, I have used the tool to build application in just 5 hours, have deployed the same application on the different hosting using the free plan only. So the thing is, now in the era of the AI, you can do and imagine anything, and there is no possibility. That's all what I want to say. That's all. Thank you so much. Let's see you in the next video.